Hey, what's up? We make videos about different devices on our channel, Tech Brothers, such as smartphones, projectors, dashcams, earbuds, vacuum cleaners, etc. However, today I received a Sonic toothbrush. I think this video will be interesting for you, because the toothbrush has many features, such as 5 modes, 15 brush experiences, 2 minutes smart timer, and high frequency of 38,000 strokes per minute. Let's start the review with unboxing and look what's inside the box. By the way, I forgot to tell you the name of this Sonic toothbrush. This is Modus T556. We can see the company logo and the image of toothbrush on the front of the box. There are main features of electric toothbrush on the side faces, such as Premium Protect, Traveling, 5 modes, 15 brushes, IP67 waterproof. We will talk about all these features of Modus T556 toothbrush later in this video. On the back of the box, there is a specifications list: battery capacity, rated power, charging time, size, weight, etc. Inside the main box we have 3 other white boxes. The biggest one has a user manual and travel case with toothbrush and 2 heads. In the second box we have 4 additional brush heads. And the third box has charging cable and charging base. I like that Modus T556 toothbrush has travel case and many additional brush heads. This set of heads will be enough for me for about 2 years, because the manufacturer recommends changing them every 3 months. As you can see, I have a white version of Sonic toothbrush. It is also available in black and pink colors. The toothbrush is made of glossy plastic. By the way, it is not slippery. That's very good. The weight of the toothbrush is only 115 grams. Of course, it is waterproof by IP67 standard, so you can completely wash it in the water. The new Modus Sonic toothbrush has 3 physical buttons: power on-off and power adjustment. The power button is also used to change the cleaning mode. Then we can see a current power of toothbrush, weak, medium or strong on the power indicator light. There are also 5 brushing modes indicators, such as clean, polish, white, sensitive, massage, and battery level indicator. By the way, if you want to change the brushing mode, just press power button. A long press for about 4 seconds turns off the toothbrush. A charging port is located on the bottom of toothbrush. As I already said, there is a charge cable and base in the package. As for the brush heads, the manufacturer says that they have DuPont bristle. It is recommended to change the brush heads every 2-3 months. You know, I was surprised by the power of this Sonic toothbrush. It has 38,000 strokes per minute, but it is not noisy. To be honest, at first I was not very comfortable brushing my teeth with Modus toothbrush, because it is really powerful. However, after a couple days I got used to it, and now brushing feels good. The teeth feel clean and fresh after brushing. The manufacturer recommends brushing the teeth 2 times a day and 2 minutes for each time. The toothbrush will stop every 30 seconds during use. It means that you need to change the area. There is even a picture in user manual with recommendation on how to brush your teeth. Talking about battery life, you can use toothbrush for about 35 days on a single charge. The battery capacity is 700 mAh. Modus Sonic toothbrush doesn't have companion app on smartphone, like some other electric toothbrushes, for example, Oakley. However, I don't think you really need it, because you can change the brushing mode and power on the toothbrush itself. I like that Modus Sonic toothbrush has 6 brushing heads in the package and a travel case. The price of Modus toothbrush is only $50 on Amazon. I think it is very affordable. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!